Hey, America! Ever wonder why some folks stay sharp, energetic, and healthy well into their 80s and 90s, while others deal with fatigue, frequent colds, or declining health? What if the difference isn't just luck or genetics, but something as simple as your daily hygiene routine? Most of us stick to the basics: shower, brush our teeth, maybe add some deodorant, and think we're covered. But here's the kicker: there are 5 body parts most people, especially as we age, aren't cleaning properly. And neglecting these can lead to serious issues like infections, inflammation, or even heart disease and diabetes complications. The good news? Fixing this takes just minutes a day and can boost your energy, improve circulation, and help you live longer. I learned this from Dr. Sarah Thompson, a geriatric specialist with over 25 years of experience. Her insights changed how I think about personal care, and today, I'm sharing 5 simple habits that could add years to your life. No fancy products needed, just a few tweaks to your routine. Stick with me, and if you're all about feeling your best, hit that like button to support more tips like these. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video that could help you thrive. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, your tongue. It's not just for tasting your morning coffee or chatting at the diner. It's a breeding ground for over 700 types of bacteria. Some are helpful, but others can wreak havoc if you don't clean them off. Harmful bacteria can slip into your bloodstream through tiny cuts or inflamed gums, especially common as we age. Research links poor tongue hygiene to heart disease, diabetes complications, and respiratory infections. Plus, it can dull your taste buds and cause chronic bad breath. Think of your tongue like your car's air filter. If it's clogged, the whole system suffers. How to clean it right? Get a tongue scraper. They're cheap, about $5 at any drugstore. It's way better than brushing alone. Gently scrape from back to front, 3 to 4 times. You'll see a white or yellow film come off. That's bacteria and dead cells. Rinse with water or mouthwash to flush it away. Do it morning and night. Mornings clear overnight buildup, and nights are gentler since your tongue's sensitive after a day of use. This 3-minute habit can transform your health. After a few weeks, you might notice vibrant flavors. Your favorite burger or apple pie tastes better. Stronger immunity. Less bacteria means less strain on your body. Fresher breath. No more worrying about close conversations. Take Susan, a 68-year-old from Ohio. After tongue scraping for a month, her dentist noticed less plaque, her gums were healthier, and her morning oatmeal tasted amazing. Or Mike, a 72-year-old Texan, who fixed his bad breath in 2 weeks after years of struggling. Pro tip: if you gag easily, start in the middle of your tongue and work back as you get comfortable. Persistent soreness or white patches? See your doctor. It could signal something serious. Next, your feet. They carry you through life, whether you're golfing, chasing grandkids, or strolling the farmer's market. But most of us just rinse them in the shower and move on. Big mistake. Poor foot hygiene can lead to infections, nerve damage, or diabetic complications. As we age, circulation slows, and feet often show the first signs of trouble. Swelling, cold toes, or tingling could mean poor circulation or diabetes. For folks over 50, foot health ties directly to balance, mobility, and even heart health. Dr. Thompson says, your feet are like a house's foundation. If they're weak, everything else suffers. How to care for your feet. Wash daily. Use a soft washcloth and mild soap to clean tops, soles, and between toes, where fungus hides. Use warm water. Hot water dries skin, causing cracks. Dry thoroughly. Pat every part dry, especially between toes, to prevent fungal infections like athlete's foot. Moisturize smart. Apply lotion to tops and soles, but never between toes. Moisture there invites bacteria. John, a 70-year-old from Florida, learned this the hard way. He thought shower rinses were enough until a fungal infection appeared between his toes. After proper washing and drying, it cleared up, and his balance improved on morning walks. Daily foot check. Check for redness, cuts, sores, or tingling. If anything's off, talk to your doctor. Early action prevents bigger issues. Now let's talk armpits. Most of us just swipe on deodorant, but your underarms are home to over 20 lymph nodes that filter toxins and boost immunity. Neglect them, and sweat, bacteria, and deodorant residue can clog pores, causing rashes, irritation, or infections. Dr. Rachel Lee, a lymphatic health expert, explains, "Your armpits are like your body's drainage system. If they're clogged, your immune system works harder than it should. Over time, this can lead to inflammation or weakened defenses." How to clean your armpits. Shower with warm water, opens pores to clear sweat and gunk. Use a soft washcloth, gently scrub in circles, then up and down, to remove buildup. Choose mild soap, avoid scented soaps that cause rashes, go fragrance-free. Rinse well, soap residue can irritate, so rinse until water runs clear. Dry carefully, pat dry with a clean towel and let air out for a minute before deodorant. Lisa, a 66-year-old from California, had itchy underarms for years, blaming aging skin. A gentle soap and thorough drying fixed it, leaving her skin smoother and fresher. Benefits: cleaner armpits mean less irritation, reduced odor, and a lighter load on your lymphatic system. You might feel more energized as your body detoxes better. Body part number 4, your nasal passages, the key to better breathing. We take 20,000 breaths a day, but how often do we think about our nose? It's a natural air purifier, filtering dust, allergens, and bacteria before they hit your lungs. But if it's clogged, you're more likely to get colds, allergies, or poor sleep from reduced oxygen. Dr. Lee says, "Your nose is like a car's air filter. If it's dirty, your body can't run smoothly. Poor nasal hygiene can lead to snoring, brain fog, or respiratory infections." How to clean your nose. Morning rinse. Splash warm water around nostrils to clear dust and mucus. Saline spray or neti pot flushes allergens and opens airways. A neti pot is great for allergy sufferers. Steam it up. Inhale steam from a shower or hot water bowl to loosen mucus. Add eucalyptus oil for a refresh. Blow gently. Clear one nostril at a time to avoid pushing mucus deeper. Wash hands after. Combat dryness. A dab of coconut oil or saline gel keeps nasal passages moisturized. James, a 69-year-old from Chicago, had chronic congestion until he started a daily saline rinse. "I used to wake up stuffy," he says. "Now I sleep better and feel sharper." Benefits: clearer breathing, fewer sniffles. Deeper sleep, no more stuffy nights. More energy from better oxygen flow. Body part number 5, your belly button. Last up, your belly button. It's easy to ignore, but this tiny spot traps lint, sweat, and bacteria, causing odor or infections. As we age, slower skin turnover makes buildup more likely. Jane, a 78-year-old from Arizona, noticed a musty smell she blamed on her detergent. A quick daily clean fixed it, and her skin felt softer. How to clean your belly button. In the shower, use a washcloth with mild soap to clean inside and around it. Rinse well, soap residue can irritate. Dry thoroughly, pat dry to prevent bacteria growth. Check weekly, look for redness or discharge. See a doctor if anything's off. This 30-second habit keeps you fresh and prevents discomfort. There you go, America. 5 simple habits to boost your health and feel amazing. From fresher breath to better sleep and more energy, these small changes can add years to your life. Try them for a week and see the difference. Which one's first on your list? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe with notifications on for more tips to live your best life. Until next time, take care. You deserve to feel great at any age.